Are you a daily commuter or a frequent traveler? Are you seeking a new way to get around in the city with more powerful, highly mobile, and portable magic? SDREAM is back. It is yours. SDREAM Ur is the smoothest folding e-bike for urban exploration. It's fast. It's lightweight. It's foldable. It's unprecedented comfy with patented suspension, providing a smooth riding experience through the crowded city hassle-free. We use advanced magnesium alloy materials to create a futuristic streamlined frame. Magnesium alloys are lighter than aluminum alloys and are more durable and environmentally friendly than carbon fibers. It also greatly reduces the toxic gases and waste liquids produced during the production of carbon fiber. Realize the ultimate pursuit of green travel. The comfort of riding SDREAM Ur is absolutely unprecedented. The unique patented rear suspension makes you addicted to riding, and you don't feel tired even if you ride for a long time. Durability is 3 times higher than traditional hydraulic components. SDREAM Ur is fast and powerful. It provides 5-level electric assist mode to customize your cycling and to strengthen your pedaling. You may also use twist throttle to go full electric riding. Release your feet. Fast riding has never been so easy. SDREAM Ur is so compact that you can carry it anywhere, indoors, upstairs, onto the metro, into office, and your car. The unique powerful magnet suction and bottom roller design so it can walk with you easily. The batteries are hidden in the seat post. The magic mini space for efficient capacity. It can be easily removed for charging or storage. Now, the smoothest folding e-bike is coming. Can't wait to own the joy of urban exploration? Back us on Indiegogo. It is yours.